Hello children, welcome back to our maths class. In the previous class, we discussed factorization of quadratic polynomial. Today, we will study how to factorize cubic polynomial. We will see one example. P of x equal to x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. This is a cubic polynomial having degree 3. So, it can have 3 linear factors. The coefficient of x cube is 1 and the constant is minus 120. If you take its product, 1 into minus 120 is minus 120. The factors of minus 120 are plus or minus 1, 2, 3 and so on. First we will find one factor by using trial method. First we will take first factor 1. Substitute x value 1 in the given polynomial. Then P of 1 equal to 1 cube minus 23 into 1 square plus 142 into 1 minus 120. After simplification, we got P of 1 equal to 0. If P of 1 equal to 0, according to factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Now, in the given polynomial, we will split second and third term. Then this can be written as x cube minus 23x square can be written as minus x square minus 22x square plus 142x can be written as 22x plus 120x minus constant term as it is 120. In first two terms, take x square common. Then x square into x minus 1. Then third and fourth term take minus 22x common. So, minus 22x into x minus 1. In the last two terms take 120 common. So, 120 into x minus 1. Now, in all the three terms we have x minus 1 common. Now, take x minus 1 common. Then we got x square minus 22x plus 120. So, here we got one linear factor x minus 1 and one quadratic polynomial x square minus 22x plus 120. Now, we have to factorize this quadratic polynomial. This we will do by splitting the middle term. In quadratic polynomial, product AC equal to 120. So, the factors of 120 are 10, 12, 6 and 20 also. Out of this, which two numbers we have to take? If you add or subtract, we have to get the middle term. So, we have to take 10 and 12. So, this can be written as x minus 1 into x square minus 22x can be written as minus 10x minus 12x plus 120. X minus 1 as it is. Now, in first two terms take x common. So, x into x minus 10. In last two terms take minus 12 common. So, minus 12 into x minus 10. Now, take x minus 10 common, then we got x minus 12. Therefore, the three linear factors are x minus 1, x minus 10 and x minus 12. Now, we will see another method to factorize the cubic polynomial. Given polynomial is f of x equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6. The factors of 6 are plus or minus 1, 2 and 3. First we have to find one linear factor. By trial method, you can start with x value 1, 2 and 3 also. Here we took x value 3. So, f of 3 equal to 3 cube minus 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. So, after simplification, we got f of 3 equal to 0. According to factor theorem, if f of 3 equal to 0, x minus 3 is a factor of given polynomial. Now, we will divide the given polynomial f of x by this linear factor x minus 3 using long division method. By long division, we got the quotient x square plus x minus 2 and the remainder is 0. Now, you have to factorize this quadratic polynomial x square plus x minus 2 by splitting the middle term. This can be written as x square plus x can be written as 2x minus x minus 2. In first two terms take x common. So, x into x plus 2. In last two terms take minus 1 common. So, minus 1 into x plus 2. Now, take x plus 2 common. Then we got x minus 1. So, the two linear factors of quadratic polynomial are x plus 2 and x minus 1. Therefore, the three linear factors of cubic polynomial are x minus 3, x plus 2 and x minus 1. Now, we will solve exercise 2.4 question number 5. First one is factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Let the given polynomial be p of x. The coefficient of x cube is 1 and the constant is 2. Its product is 1 into 2, 2. So, the factors of 2 are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. First, we will take first factor 1. So, substitute x value 1. Then p of 1 equal to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. After simplification, we got p of 1 equal to 0. So, according to factor theorem, if p of 1 equal to 0, so x minus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Now, we will divide the given polynomial p of x by x minus 1 by using long division method. Then we got the quotient x square minus x minus 2. Now, this x square minus x minus 2 is a quadratic polynomial. Now, we have to factorize by using splitting the middle term. So, this can be written as x minus 1 into x square minus x can be written as minus 2x plus x minus 2. Now, in first two terms take x common. So, take x common x into x minus 2. Then take plus 1 common, then we got x minus 2. So, the three linear factors are x minus 1, x minus 2 and x plus 1. Second one, let the given polynomial be p of x. So, p of x equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Here the coefficient of x cube is 1 and the constant is 5. Its product is 1 into 5, 5. So, the factors of 5 are plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 5. First, we have to find one linear factor. For this, by trial method, we will take x value minus 1. Then p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. By simplifying this, p of minus 1 equal to 0. If p of minus 1 equal to 0, according to factor theorem, x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. So, we got one linear factor x plus 1. Now, we will divide the given polynomial p of x by x plus 1 by using long division method. Then we got quotient x square minus 4x minus 5. This is a quadratic polynomial. Now, we have to factorize this by using splitting the middle term. Given polynomial can be written as x plus 1 into x square minus 4x minus 5. This can be written as x plus 1 into x square minus 4x can be written as x minus 5x minus 5. In first two terms take x common, then x into x plus 1. In last two terms take minus 5 common, then minus 5 into x plus 1. Then take x plus 1 common, then we got x minus 5. Therefore, the three linear factors of given polynomial are x plus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 5. Now, third one, let the given polynomial be p of x equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Factors of 20 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2 and so on. First we have to find one linear factor. By trial method we will take x value minus 1. Then p of minus 1 equal to minus 1 whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. After simplification we got p of minus 1 equal to 0. Then according to factor theorem, x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now we will divide the given polynomial p of x by x plus 1 by using long division method. Then we got the quotient as x square plus 12x plus 20. This is a quadratic polynomial. Now we have to factorize this by using splitting the middle term. Given polynomial can be written as x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20. This can be written as x plus 1 into x square plus 12x can be written as 2x plus 10x plus 20. In first two terms take x common, then x into x plus 2. In last two terms take 10 common, then 10 into x plus 2. Now in both the terms take x plus 2 common, then we got x plus 10. Therefore, the three linear factors of given polynomial are x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10. So, to factorize any cubic polynomial, first by trial method we will find one linear factor. Then with this linear factor we will divide the given polynomial by long division method. Then we will get two more factors. Fourth one is homework. All of you solve these questions in your maths copy. We will meet in next class. Thank you.